Before solving this exercise, let's make a quick recall. When I'm talking about equation, I will talk about three formulas. Suppose I'm talking about absolute x equals to r, where r is positive. It will give us two solutions, which are x equals r or x equals negative r. And if I'm talking about absolute x equals to r, where r is negative in this case, we get no solution. It's impossible to talk about equality between positive and negative. And if we have absolute x equals to absolute y, implies it will give us also right here two solutions, x equals y or x equals negative y. Let's start by the first one, absolute x equals to 3. Since both sides are positive, then directly I'm going to use the first formula. Then I will get x equals 3 or x equals negative 3. For the second equation, we have absolute x, which is positive, equals to a negative value. And as we said, it's impossible to make such an equality. So right here we say no solution. Absolute 2x equals to 3. Again, it's an equation between two positive sides. So I'm going to use the first equation, and it will give us 2x equals 3 or 2x equals negative 3. And in order to calculate x, it's just by dividing both sides. I will get that x equals 3 over 2, and right here, or x equals minus 3 over 2. Absolute 3x minus 1 equals to 5. It's the same as absolute whatever the value inside equals to a positive value, then this value, the inner function, will be equal to the positive, or the inner function will be equal to the negative of this value. So right here I will get 3x. It will give us 3x minus 1 equals to 5, or 3x minus 1 equals to negative 5, which is 3x equals to 6, and here we'll get 3x equals to minus 4, and of course just by dividing 3 both sides, I will get from here that x equals 2, and here we have x equals minus 4 over 3. Absolute 2 minus x equals to 4. Again, I have positive side equals to another positive side. Then directly I'm going to use the first formula, which is 2 minus x equals 4, or 2 minus x equals to negative 4. So from the first equality right here, from the first equation, I will get that minus x equals 2, or minus x equals minus 6. And again, x equals negative 2. Right here, x equals to 6. Here, absolute x minus 1 equals to negative 4. Since I'm dealing with positive side equals to negative, it's according to the second formula, so directly we say no solution. Absolute x plus 3 equals to absolute minus x plus 1. It's according to this formula, absolute equals to absolute. Then I will get that x plus 3 equals minus x plus 1, or x plus 3 equals positive x minus 1, by multiplying the inner function right here by negative sign. Then I will get 2x equals 2, and from here we have 0x, which is 0, equals to negative 4. Of course, right here it's impossible to get that a number 0 equals to negative 4, and from here we will get that x equals 2. Positive side again equals to positive side, then directly the 2 is positive, I can keep it as it is, and I will get 2 into 3 minus x equals to x minus 2, or 2 into 3 minus x equals to negative x positive 2. It will be 6 minus 2x equals x minus 2, and minus 3x equals negative 8, which is x equals 8 over 3. This is the first solution, and from here we will get 6 minus 6 2 times 3 minus 2x equals minus x plus 2, which is minus x equals to minus 4, implies x equals 4. This is the second solution. For this equality, we have absolute value equals to negative absolute value. So I'm talking about positive side equals to negative side, which is no solution. Right here, we have radical or square root of x minus 2 squared. In this case, it's according to the formula that absolute radical x squared will be equal to absolute x. Then I will get that absolute x minus 2 equals to 3. I'm going to solve it according to the first equation, which is absolute x equals to r, which is positive. Then it will be x minus 2 equals to 3, or x minus 2 equals negative 3, which is x equal 5, or x equals to negative 1.